Pope Francis, the 88-year-old head of the Catholic Church, has been diagnosed with double pneumonia. The Vatican says his condition is being closely monitored and tests show a complex picture of his health. So what exactly is double pneumonia? Why is it more dangerous for someone his age? And what does his diagnosis mean for his recovery? Let's break it down. Pneumonia is a serious lung infection that causes inflammation in the air sacs, making it hard to breathe. When both lungs are infected, it's called double pneumonia or bilateral pneumonia. This is more severe because it reduces oxygen intake and increases the risk of respiratory failure. The Vatican has also confirmed that Pope Francis's infection is polymicrobial, meaning it is caused by multiple microorganisms at the same time. This makes treatment more complex as different pathogens require different medications. Double pneumonia can be triggered by bacteria, the most common cause including Streptococcus pneumoniae and Staphylococcus aureus. Viruses, influenza, RSV, and coronaviruses can also lead to pneumonia. And fungi, more common in people with weak immune systems. Exposure to pollution, smoking, and pre-existing lung conditions can increase the chances of developing pneumonia. The symptoms of double pneumonia can range from mild to life-threatening, including persistent cough with mucus or pus, high fever and chills, chest pain and difficulty breathing, extreme fatigue and weakness, crackling or wheezing sounds in the lungs. In severe cases, pneumonia can lead to hospitalization, as seen in Pope Francis's case. At 88, Pope Francis is in a high-risk group for severe respiratory infections, but his medical history makes him even more vulnerable. As a young man, he had pleurisy, a condition that inflames the lungs. This led to partial removal of one lung, reducing his lung capacity. With age, the risk of infections like pneumonia increases, especially in individuals with weakened immune systems. Doctors say that older adults, young children, smokers, and those with chronic diseases like asthma or COPD are at a greater risk of complications. Doctors use several tests to confirm pneumonia, including chest X-rays or CT scans to check for lung inflammation, blood tests to identify infections, sputum culture, mucus sample to detect bacteria or viruses, PCR test for viral infections, bronchoscopy in severe cases to examine the lungs directly. The treatment depends on the cause of the infection. Bacterial pneumonia is treated with antibiotics. Viral pneumonia requires antiviral medication. Fungal infections are treated with antifungal drugs. Doctors may also provide oxygen therapy, IV fluids, and breathing support in severe cases. Rest, hydration, and good nutrition are crucial for recovery. The Vatican has stated that Pope Francis remains in good spirits and is receiving the best possible medical care. However, given his age and medical history, his recovery will require close monitoring. For now, the world watches as the Pope battles this serious illness, hoping for his speedy recovery. Stay tuned for more updates.